Resonance. Resonance specifically is defined as the amplitude having the maximum vibration, that is known as the resonance. The definition of the resonance here given by: when a frequency of the external force P is the same as the natural frequency of oscillation of the body omega, the amplitude of the force oscillation may becomes very large. This phenomenon is known as the resonance. Here the external frequency is the same as the natural frequency, natural oscillations, that these two are the same, then amplitude of the force oscillation may becomes a very large, that is known as the resonance of resonance. The example of the resonance is Helmholtz resonator, resonance in LCR circuit, the absorption of energy by electrons in atom, resonance in air column. These are the examples of the resonance. Then here conditions for resonance and expression for maximum amplitude. For amplitude to become maximum, the denominator in the equation, this equation just must be minimum for a given body. This result can be thought by here B is equal to R by 2m is a minimum when the damping caused by medium and by tuning. Second one is tuning frequency P of the applied force to become equal to natural frequency of the vibration omega. Its body is given by P is equal to omega. The two conditions can prove theoretically in following manner. So that amplitude of the force oscillation is given by A is equal to F by M divided by square root of omega square minus P square whole square plus RP square. At the resonance of the system will keep the same phase is applied periodic force at all time. This is also evident by applying the force condition P is equal to omega in the above equation we get. That equation will becomes A is equal to F divided by M R omega. That is equation number 1. The equation 1 is amplitude of oscillation is maximum. This condition is known as resonance. Just remember what is my resonance. Resonance is an amplitude having the maximum vibrations or oscillations is known as the resonance. Sharpness of the resonance. Definition. Here sharpness of the resonance is defined as change in the amplitude to its change in amplitude. It is a ratio of change in amplitude with respect to small change in frequency of the applied external periodic force at the resonance. Here sharpness of the resonance is defined as small change in amplitude with respect to small change in frequency of the applied external periodic force, so that it is denoted by delta A divided by delta P. Here delta is a small change in amplitude and small change in periodic external periodic force. A delta is a change in amplitude with respect to delta P is a change in frequency of the resonance. The sharpness of the resonance is given by F divided by M R WP. It is shown by graphically. The resonance of the amplitude varies degree of damping at the stage of resonance. Here omega square minus P square is equal to 0 is chosen to plotted along the abacus because it is quantity of the amplitude is dependent upon. One can notice that the curve are rather flat or longer value of B, and hence here the curve is rather flat or longer of the value B, hence the resonance is here, hence the resonance is resonance is flat. On the other hand, the curve for a smaller value b is the curve from smaller value b is exhibits the peak. Here it exhibits the peak and it refers to sharp resonance. One of the curve corresponding the value of b is equal to 0. Here b is equal to 0. It shows these are the dotted lines that is given by the b is equal to 0. It shows the split at the amplitude axis indicating the value infinity for the amplitude at the resonance. A special case are never exists in reality. The b is equal to 0. Here we take getting the sharp resonance. These are given by graphically. Significance of sharpness of resonance. The amplitude of the oscillation of an oscillating body rises to maximum when the frequency of external force matches the natural frequency of the oscillating system. Here, the amplitude of the oscillation is maximum when the frequency of the external force is matches to natural frequency. The frequency of external force and a natural frequency is matches, then the amplitude of the oscillation is maximum. However, the rise of the amplitude will be sharp, very sharp when the damping is very small. Next is effect of damping on sharpness of the resonance. The graph is representing the various amplitude of the force oscillation with respect to damping is shown in the P. Sharpness of the resonance, graphically just we discussed that the sharpness of the resonance is equal to F divided by m r omega p. As per above equation, the maximum amplitude at resonance is a function of the damping. Higher the damping, lower will be the amplitude at resonance. Thus, the sharpness will be higher at the lower damping, vice versa is the significance. These are the significance or effect of damping on the sharpness of resonance. Law of conservation. We know that conservation means maintenance of the certain quantity unchanged with physical process. Conservation law applied to isolated system. There are three laws of the conservation. First one is the law of conservation of mass. The total mass of any isolated system remains unchanged or constant and is independent of any chemical and physical changes that would occur within the system. Law of mass is said that the total mass is constant and it is independent of any chemical and physical changes that would occur within that system. In that system, total mass is constant and that is independent of chemical and physical changes. That is known as the law of conservation of mass, that is given by rho 1 is equal to mu 1 is equal to rho 2 is equal to mu 2. Rho 1 and rho 2 are the density of the states, mu 1 and mu 2 are the velocities. The next is law of conservation of the momentum. Just we know the definition of momentum, that is a P is equal to mass into velocity. It is a product of mass into velocity. That is known as the momentum. Here, in a closed or isolated system, the total momentum remains constant when the two bodies is collide in an isolated system. The total momentum of the objects before collision is equal to after collision. The law of momentum is said that, let us consider an isolated system in that two particles are collide. When these two particles are collide, they are two particles having the momentum, so that the momentum before collision is equal to after collision when it there in that body law of momentum is conserved. So that p1 is equal to rho 1 mu 1 whole square is equal to p2 plus mu 2 rho 2 into mu 2 whole square. Here p1 and p2 are the momentum of the particles 1 and 2, rho 1 and rho 2 are density of the states. Law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy, that is known as total energy in an isolated system or closed system is constant and is independent of any change occurring within the system. That in that isolated system the total energy is a constant and that is independent of any changes within that system. H1 is equal to mu 1 square by 2 is equal to H2 plus mu 2 whole square, mu 2 square by 2. H1 and H2 are enthalpy and mu 1 and mu 2 are the velocities.